I was sent this beautiful diffuser and I want to give you a demo of how it works. So first of all, it's got this gorgeous wood bottom to it and then this really nice glass frosted top that comes off. And then this part here comes off as well. You'll fill water in it to the fill line. There is a little word that says max right there so you don't overdo it. And then before you start it up, you're going to want to use your favorite oil. I have jasmine right here and you drop about 5 drops in. I already did it, so it smells so good. And then you just pop this right back on. This goes on top and then you plug everything in. I already have it plugged in so it is ready to go. And then you hit the on button. You can set a timer for this. It does have timing levels on it. And then you can also choose the intensity of the light on it as well. It instantly starts the diffusing and it smells amazing. So I like how you can see it right away. You know it's working. It's so calming. It's basically silent. You can hear like the tiniest bit of water, but it's like a really relaxing sound. And I think it just looks so beautiful in any space and it's calming. And then once you add your oils, it just gives you a sense of either tranquility or energizing, whatever you put in there. I think you are going to love this.